welcome to another Sunday vlog.
Okay.
So we in the kitchen.
Hey.
We cooking. Okay, meal prepping. You don't know, people be saying words twice now and stuff. So let me put my camera. Make sure it's the clearest it could be. Okay. Because y'all be vlogging on my phone now just because it's easier. So here go Roosevelt. He about to make him some hot links on this George Foreman grill. So, and I haven't recorded a video all week. So, and I said I was going to be on my YouTube grind. So, look, we recording whatever we can. We entertaining the people. So, y'all, I'm making some, a makeshift Chipotle bowl, but with shrimp. Y'all know Chipotle don't do shrimp. So, I got this chili lime seasoning that I always hear everyone talk about from Trader Joe's. So, I got it. Michelle put some on her chicken. She making chicken. I put some on my shrimp. I'm making shrimp. So we're going to test it. And low-key, we tasted the seasoning by itself. Tastes like the tahini seasoning.
Oh, let me show them what tahini is, if they don't know. This is Mexican seasoning.
But it tastes a little bit more limey. Like it has a little bit more lime in it. But it tastes good by itself, you know. I'll put that on some fruit, vegetables, whatever. So yeah, Michelle, you know, been on her keto life.
Trying.
Been on her keto life, so let me show you what she's cooking. This is her meal prep for the week. Made some ground beef and like a sausage mix here. She just let it drain right now. Her breakfast is gonna be hard-boiled eggs. Oh no, is that with the breakfast out? Okay, hard-boiled eggs and the chorizo and the sausage. She gonna make some zucchini. What's it called?
Noodles.
Zucchini noodles with like a spaghetti sauce, like spaghetti zucchini noodles, and then
go ahead.
Roosevelt, don't step back right now. She got some, this is the chili lime chicken here, and then just some seasoned steak with some onions in it. So, and then she got her lunch over here, which is going to be a chicken salad. And then her snacks, or this cucumber and lime is going to be for her water. And then for snacks, she has also some bell pepper and cucumber with some ranch dressing. And then, Jello if she has like a sweet tooth, right?
Yes.
So yeah.
And I lost 5 pounds last week doing this.
So yep. So it's working for her. I'm not really doing keto. I'm just trying to live like a better, healthier overall lifestyle. So that's why I'm making this little shrimp bowl. So basically, in order to do that, like just haven't been like eating out much. I did have like a major cheat day though on Friday. We went to the buffet. So, even though I honestly didn't even eat that much, like, I just ate my normal crab legs and 2 tacos. Like, that's what I get almost every buffet.
So, last week, we started, like, every second week of the month, we don't spend money. Renee cheated, but I made it all the way until today, which is Sunday, without spending any money. Like, 0. Not even on gas. I was pushing it.
I did cheat a little bit. I spent $25 this week, if you want to be honest. But that's not bad, you know. When I look at a regular week, what I would have been spending, like just buying random stuff just because I want it, you know, not being disciplined enough, like $25. Like I probably would usually spend $40, $50 a week of just stuff I probably didn't even really need. So I'm not mad at my $25. I mean, I'm gonna try again next month when we do our 2-week or second week of the month. Not spending money, but yeah. But Michelle, she won this week. That's all right. So I'm about to put these little shrimps in here. Y'all, this oil was popping. Hopefully it's not popping no more.
Is it weird that I put barbecue sauce in my spaghetti?
A little bit. Do y'all put barbecue sauce in y'all spaghetti?
It just makes it taste better.
Oh shoot. I'll watch this one. My dad put I put ranch on my spaghetti. You put sour cream on your spaghetti?
I put barbecue sauce like in my sauce and then like on top too.
My dad puts sugar in his spaghetti. People be putting all types of stuff in their spaghetti.
One time I had to put sugar in it because I put too much seasoning in it.
I don't know about that, yo. So we're about to do this shrimp right here. Y'all can't even see. I was trying to figure out how to show y'all what I'm doing. Can y'all see? Y'all so see. Oh, it's about to start popping. Okay, y'all. This my shrimps.
Oh, you just gonna pour it?
Huh?
Okay.
Right behind you.
Oh, I should just pour it. Let it go. Hold on, y'all. It's popping. Yeah, I'm gonna do this with the oil off. Because it ain't gonna never go in there.
I mean, the shrimp still actually cooked.
This is the finished product. It don't look like much because I didn't make it all pretty like Chipotle. But we got the rice. And then I got some avocado in there. The shrimp is really good. I tasted it with the chili lime seasoning. Some cheese, sour cream, and lettuce. I have salsa, but I don't know if I'm going to use it yet. So I'm going to taste it without it first. And yeah, so hopefully this is real good. I tasted this bowl and it's so good. Like, I would definitely make this again and use this seasonings over and over. Like, it's super good. And I squeezed some lime over it. Like, I don't even need no salsa. Like, I mean, I'm probably put a little bit just so I can get some spice to it. But like, honestly, I don't even need it. Like, the flavor is really good. So yeah.
Telling to add beans. So you're just missing beans.
Yeah. So the only thing I'm missing is pinto beans. I usually put pinto beans like on my bowls at Chipotle, and I thought I had some here at the house, but I didn't. So next time I'll add that, and it's probably gonna be even better. So yeah, you can add beans if you like or not like. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick impromptu. All my videos is low-key impromptu, like it's just be random. But hope you enjoyed this little cooking vlog and Michelle's update on her keto diet and my update on my healthy lifestyle diet. And then Roosevelt's face just popping in here and there. So he ate his little hot links. So yeah, we was all in the kitchen cooking today. That was today's vlog, a cooking vlog and update. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at reneecw13 and Snapchat at reneecw2013. He over here looking crazy. You want to shout yourself out or something? Like, I'm confused. Nah. Okay then. So don't be looking at me shout myself out.
2013. Why don't you update it?
Because you can't update on Snapchat.
Just fine.
He's so annoying. All right, y'all. See y'all in my next video.